Hi guys, it's Miss Sarah at the Peter White Public Library, bringing you the unboxing of our Tiny Tot Sensory Bin Dinosaur Digging. So, if you have already received some of these sensory bins before, this time you won't be getting this plastic bin, you'll just be getting the stuff inside of it, all right? If your kids are still having a lot of fun playing with their other ones, I suggest possibly going to the dollar store and picking up some more of these. They're just cupcake holders we found at the dollar store. Or putting all of the sensory items from, let's say, the construction time in a big gallon Ziploc bag and then using your bin for dinosaur dig. Okay? All right, guys, let's see what is in this box. It's so exciting. I like snapping. Listen. Snap. 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 All right, let's see what we have. Oh, this looks exciting. I have a brush. I wonder what that could be for. I have a dinosaur. I have another dinosaur. And I have dinosaur skeleton. And another dinosaur. And a bag of pellets. So I'm going to take this bag and I'm going to open it. I'm going to pour it in. All right, I'm going to leave it kind of like that. Let's start by just feeling these. We have so far felt corn. We felt bubbly water. We have felt water beads. This is noisy. These feel very different. They're much smaller, so please be careful if you have little siblings. And guys, do not eat these, okay? Do not eat these. You don't want to swallow these. And if you have little siblings, make sure they can't get at this and eat it, okay? All right, what can we do with these? Well, I'm going to use my brush. See if I can brush them. Oh, I can. Nice. I'm going to brush them into the cups, maybe. There we go. That works out. Can my dinosaurs go in them? Just like that. That looks good. Perfect. My dinosaurs fit right in them. What about the dinosaur bones? Maybe what should I do with that? I bet if we're being archaeologists at a dig, that's what our brush is for. I go like this and carefully shake them all. And I wonder if I can bury my dinosaur bones and use the brush to find them, just like the archaeologists do at the dig. Let's see. All right, my dinosaur bones are hidden back here in this corner. I'm going to carefully brush. Oh, I see a little something. I'm going to keep brushing. Oh, look at that. I see a tail and a leg. Let's keep going. Oh, I see his ribs. There's an arm. Oh, there's his head, you guys. I found it. I'm going to keep brushing all the way around him and move all of the pellets away like that. With my brush, we use the brush so we don't accidentally damage the bones. Takes a really long time because we're brushing away dirt and rocks, and we have to just go like that. And we keep brushing and brushing and brushing very carefully until we can see our dinosaur. And there he is. Now we have some things left over from other times we can maybe try to use. We could use our scoop. That's kind of fun. We have our shovel. Could use our shovel to bury our dinosaur, maybe. Could use our shovel to put it in our plastic cup. This plastic cup has measurements, too. Use it for measuring. And we can play with our other dinosaurs in here. Now, the corn that we got on construction day filled up our tray really, really well, so maybe a fun game could be to use our corn sensory and give your corn to your grown-up and give them the dinosaur bones, and they can bury the bones and you don't know where it is, and you have to use the brush and brush away the corn until you can find your dinosaur bones. All right, my fellow excavators, archaeologists, have fun playing with your sensory bin, dinosaur dig. And our next video is songs and stomps and finger plays all about dinosaurs. You got it. See you in a minute.